Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be yet another video, yet another collab, yet another project pan, yet another intro. This project pan is a tongue twister, and I'm gonna see if I can get through it on the first shot. This project pan is called the Pop of Color Project Pan Collab. This collab is a collab with 5 of us, obviously myself included. My best friend Courtney K here on YouTube, Lisa I here on YouTube, as well as Canoe X Makeup here on YouTube, and then a girl on Facebook who I personally do not know, but her name is Lindsay. So definitely check out everybody down in the description box below. If you have come over here from their channels, welcome and thank you for joining me. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's just dive right in. I need to come up with new verbiage. I always use like the same phrases. This is now the 3rd video I filmed today, and my makeup has been on for 11 hours. Yes, 11 hours. So if my hair looks a mess, my face looks a mess, I'm gonna forgive myself. You can choose to forgive me or not. Either way, I still love you guys. So now that we're on a tangent at 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, let's talk about this collab. We are going to be updating monthly, at least I am. I'm assuming we all are. But this is called the Pop of Color Project Pan because we took 5 items, whether hair, skin, body, makeup, whatever. I have a really good mix of everything. I have a little bit of makeup, a little bit of body, a little bit of skin, and a little bit of hair. So it's perfect. Okay, just got up and shut my window. I could not deal with the noise anymore. So we're gonna go into this. And now Titus is moving in his cage. I just can't win. I cannot win. So this first product that I picked was the Apto Healing Turmeric Mask, and as you can see, it's a bright yellow. So this is completely full. I just got it, so it's like still sealed and everything. I would like to use this completely up. I think within the next few months that'll be totally possible, and it'll also push me to continue masking more often. I have a lot of masks. I have to get through a lot of masks, and I just tend to get distracted. The next product that I have is by Eva NYC, and this is the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. So basically it's like, you know, it's a one and done product, which is cool, but I have like 2 or 3 of these. So I chose it because the packaging is really pretty. It's very, very colorful. And again, this is brand new. I have not even sprayed it, not once. So the product is all the way right there. I will mark this too after this video. And again, I would like to use this completely up. I am in the process of regrowing my hair, which is why it looks a hot mess today. So I think that this will help just keep it nourished while it's growing out to a phase where I can actually do something with it. So we'll finish that off, I'm sure, within the next couple months. The next product that I chose is a nail polish, and this is a mini by OPI, and no, it's not. No, it's not. This isn't OPI. Look at the freaking label, Shay. Look at the label. This is a mini by China Glaze from the holiday collection last year. It is a matte red with a little bit of a gold shift to it, and it's called Santa's Side Chick. It's very pretty, and I feel like having that gold shift, although it's beautiful for the holidays, I think this red will still go really well during the summer and into like a transition to fall. So I would like to use this completely up. I do also have a second one of these, so if I can get through this one completely during the time frame of this project, I will roll in the second one and see if I can knock 2 out. That would be awesome. But I paint my nails all the time. They're always done. So I don't think that that should be an issue. The next product that I chose, technically it's 3, but I'm gonna count them as 1. So I chose 3 of the samples of the MAC perfumes. So the first one I have here is this bright pink packaging, and it's in the scent Candy Yum Yum. It's really hard to see the progress on these, you guys, because the label is completely encompassing of the bottle, so there's not even a space to see it, and you can't see through the label. Real helpful, MAC. The second one I have is MAC My Heroine, and this one is just barely under the label. I used Candy Yum Yum once. So it's, I mean, it's probably barely less than this one. They're both just about right here. So there's those 2, and then the third one that I'm gonna group into this little thing is MAC Ruby Woo. And again, this one I haven't used, so it's completely brand new. And brand new, they're filled right up to about here. So all 3 of those are new. Let's see how many times I can say new in one video, okay? Ow! Oh my God, I need to go to bed. And then my last and final, those are the same thing, girl. So my last product in this intro is going to be out of my Z palette, and this is a Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the shade Masquerade. Now this did crumble and break. I don't know how, but it did. So you could, well, we just had a tragedy. It fell, and most of the pan fell all over my vanity. So we're gonna adjust a little bit here. And our new goal, I was gonna say use up like half of it, but but now my goal is to finish it. Anyway, so this is Masquerade. Honestly, I'm not sad about it because I did not like this shadow. I don't like this shadow. The consistency of it is so crumbly. It literally doesn't even hold itself together. It's not representative of Marlena's formula. So Makeup Geek usually has the most incredible, soft, beautiful foiled shadows. This one to me is totally off the wall, like completely different, not at all what the brand is about. So I'm not gonna be sad when this is gone. And in fact, I'm actually gonna have to force myself to use it because I really don't like it that much. I love the color, but it doesn't perform like anything else. It's very hard to build up. It doesn't have the same foiled properties that the other ones do. So I'm gonna give you guys a swatch, and honestly, it's probably still gonna crumble even giving you a swatch because it's just that yuck. Like, do you see how it's just like not, it just doesn't perform very well. It's so sheer and like, meh. There isn't much left, but I'm telling you right now, that's gonna be a struggle for me to use it up. If I do completely use this up, I might roll something in depending on the time frame that we have left in the project. But overall, I just wanna see this gone because it just never ever called my name. And on top of that, Too Faced makes a shadow that is identical to this one with a way better formula. So all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all the mayhem and madness that could ensue in like a 7-minute video. I don't know how my life makes it possible where everything that could go wrong can go wrong in my videos. It makes it a little interesting. So if you guys came over from any of the other girls' channels, welcome. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you decide to stick around. I'm gonna go to bed before I destroy the rest of my makeup, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye, guys.